Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk about the KingCamp sleeping bag. This is the Cloud 400 model. Before I start providing some of the details, I just want to say that I'm not the kind of guy that likes to sleep inside a sleeping bag. This because I feel trapped, sometimes it gets really hot and I just prefer to take shits when I go camping. But this one, I think it's pretty cool because of three things. One is you can open a zipper and put your feet out of the sleeping bag. The other one is that you can use it as a blanket or just put it on top of your mattress. And the third one is that this thing is huge, you just don't feel trapped. You just, you sleep very good. So as I was saying, this is the KingCamp, the Cloud 400 model.
If you're looking for a comfortable and durable sleeping bag, I think this might be the right one for you.